Microsoft Edge accidentally flags Chrome setup as harmful on Windows 11. Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 and Windows 11 has again flagged ChromeSetup.exe, the installation file for a Google famous Chrome browser, as potentially harmful. Microsoft Edge built-in security feature suggests user delete ChromeSetup.exe and try Edge via multiple pop-up message. Windows latest understand Microsoft Edge 1.16 has incorrectly flagged ChromeSetup.exe as potentially harmful. This appears to be a mistake and only some users see it in our tests. We observed the error in 1 out of 5 Microsoft Edge 1.16 stable installation. As you can see the screenshot below, when downloading Chrome using Microsoft Edge, a warning message pop-ups. ChromeSetup.exe could harm your device. Do you want to keep it anyway? Which option to either keep or delete the download file? If you select keep, you can open the installer, but if you click delete, Microsoft remove the file. As you probably know, Microsoft has proactively pushed Edge to Windows users as a worthy competitor. The company questionable practice doesn't end there. When trying to access Chrome through Edge and using Microsoft Bing search engine, users are met with several prompts dissuading them from downloading Chrome. For example, as I highlighted on X, formerly Twitter, as many as 3 pop-ups recommend Edge when downloading Chrome. The first suggestion is to use Edge when searching for Chrome on Bing. It reads prompted by Microsoft. There's no need to download a new web browser. Microsoft recommends using Microsoft Edge for a fast, secure, modern web experience that can help save your time and money. Try now. One might say this is a suitable news from Microsoft to stay within its ecosystem, but similar pop-ups continue to appear on the next page. Suppose you ignore the recommendation and open Google website to reach the Chrome download page. In that case, another prompt appears explaining that Microsoft Edge runs on the same technology as Chrome. With the added trust of Microsoft, browse securely now. While such advertisement and practice might seem aggressive and annoying, it is not uncommon for companies like Microsoft and Google to prompt their products when users try rival products. For example, Google had previously recommended Chrome via Gmail when user accessed the email service in Edge, or scared user with security warning. The company has not made any official statement regarding the flagging of Chrome setup. ChromeSetup.exe is potential harmful. The warning is not widespread and Microsoft may have already fixed it, but we continue to see it on at least one of our devices.